How to make yourself an admin in Roblox Studio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make yourself an admin in Roblox Studio. In order to make yourself admin, you have to search for Cole's admin. There are several listed here and you can pick one. Pick Cole's admin infinite and drag it in your game. Cole's admin infinite include one script and click on OK. Now from the right bar menu, click Cole's admin infinite. Click on workspace above to see the options. Click on Cole's admin infinite and select credit. There are further two options. Click on settings. Now click in front of local owners and type in your name. You do not need to add yourself to any of these lists. Now go back to the game and you are now an admin. That's how you can make yourself an admin in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.